Isn't this Chevelle pretty? It's a 1970 SS396 4-speed gauges, cowl induction, factory air, only 300 miles on a meticulous body off frame restoration. I mean, this thing is crazy nice. Rotisserie restored, and it is so detailed throughout, it's crazy. Numbers match on the motor. Factory Astro Blue. It's just gorgeous. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the first time I'd seen this car, the blue with the white, just a pretty, refreshing car. And it's been done for about 15 years now, but hardly drove it. It was kept very, very well. Looks like it was done last night. So it's a genuine cowl induction hood, all straight, all clean. The fender is outstanding, no issues, not a pimple or a bump or anything like that. All clean, smooth, straight. 15-year-old paint job, and again, looks like it was done last night. Jams are real nice, shuts like a new car. Clean, straight quarter panels all the way down to the bottom. The reflection of my hands like a mirror. All of this super nice, clean, no issues. Oh, you don't even feel the SS stripes. All beautiful, clean. I don't see any problem. Even underneath here, clean. Moldings fit the body real nicely. The rockers are smooth and straight. Door fits beautifully. Jams are painted real nice and slick. Straight, no door ding. I don't see any problem areas with the body at all. Repainted its original color, Astro Blue. All the metallic is laid out evenly, and then it has a clear coat that's polished beautifully. What a bright, vibrant, refreshing color. I don't, I'm not a biggest fan of vinyl tops, but I think on this car, the white top with the white stripes really makes it pop. So it's a cowl induction hood, so it has hood pins. It has all the chrome up here, the bezels, the grill, all that's redone. Now maybe someone can answer. See this metal trim under the headlights? Some have it and some don't. I don't know what that was for, the purpose of it. The windshield and the back window were replaced. All the moldings, emblems replaced. It has the deluxe mirrors on both sides. All this stainless trim, it looks like it's straight and shiny and polished. The white vinyl top's in excellent shape. The rubber seals are excellent. Sitting on, looks like a brand new set of 14-inch SS wheels with reproduction Goodyear Polyglass tires. And coming around the back, the bumper, the SS pad, tail light lenses, all of it looks new. Up front, it does have the correct T3 headlamps as well. So outside the car, absolutely beautiful. Metal door edge guards. Those were the actual door edge guards, not the cheap plastic ones that you see today. Let's open it up and show you how detailed the motor is. I really enjoy doing the videos, especially when it's cars I love. And we've had a real run on cars that I really love lately, and this is one of them. Underneath here, painted spotlessly. The latch is detailed. Those stickers look like new. The jam painted slick as can be. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is all pristine metal with a nice spatter finish with the red oxide primer showing. They duplicated it just like the car was originally. A fifth matching tire, wheel, got the complete jack assembly. All looks like brand new. Tires never been used. All the wiring's new. The trunk mat's new. That is clean and complete, about as nice as you can get. Excuse me. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The latches look new in the doors. The weather strips are replaced. It's a factory-born, they call it ivory interior. It's kind of a pearly white. So door panels, armrests, window cranks, that was all replaced. The entire instrument panel, the dash, the wiring, the circuit board, the vents, the knobs, all this was replaced. Full set of factory gauges. 312 miles since the car's been redone. Working clock. Heater control panel's new. Has the original AM radio. right knobs. All this is nice and clean. Kick panel's real nice, carpet's real nice, reproduction mats. It has the correct Muncie bench seat style curved shifter with the right boot and everything. The pearly white seats, really excellent shape. GM seat belts, headrests are redone. Everything back here, wall to wall, is redone as well. Got the factory seat belts, window cranks are replaced. The rear tray, it's got a little bit of a warp in it. They're just like a cardboard, but all the trim around the windows, excellent. The sail panels are not wrinkled. The headliner, tight as a drum. The light works. Visors look new. The mirror looks new. Has a sport wheel. Again, all the wiring harnesses. We have pictures of this interior completely gutted out. Just a metal shell. Everything was redone. I will post some of the pictures on our website, and the photo album will go with the car to whoever buys it. So that's the 396, 350 horsepower engine. The numbers on the front pad and codes match the car. All stock. You can see the manifolds and the fuel line, and all that looks stock. And again, a functional cowl induction, so there's the air cleaner system that matches up to the hood. Stock valve covers. This hose got to be put back on. GM hose there. Stock manifolds. All the factory air conditioning components. This was all restored. Heater control valve was replaced. It has markings all over, especially underneath, factory style markings. Gray hinges. Spring clamp battery cables with the Delco battery topper. Up here, everything looks proper. The right shroud, the pulleys, the hoses, the clamps, everything looks real nice. Again, power steering, factory air conditioning, power brakes with the cadmium plated booster, has the paper tag, more factory markings, all painted slick as can be. The squirters are hooked up, the wiring is all new, cowl tags in place, has hood insulation. Even has a secondary electric door in there. You got the vacuum flapper, and then you have a little electric door that opens and closes as well. That's all there. Beautiful. Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, gorgeous frame off restoration on this Chevelle. Definitely encourage you to get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. There's not a detail that they didn't miss. Looks like basically all new parts underneath there. It's fantastic. And that's kind of what the Chevelle's riding like. It's more like a new car. Seem to have done it upright. No squeaks or rattles in the suspension. Fantastic. Got her nice and warmed up. Spent some time around it. Everything seems to work inside here. The clock, temperature gauge, the radio's working. We even got the heater on right now because it's a chilly day. And this thing's got a nice clean idle and just fantastic build. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we are up to highway speeds. What a strong runner. Really liking the look of this one too. That Astro Blue with the parchment colors point on. Let's see how all those new suspension components go down the road. Really nice alignment, great performer, shifts effortlessly with the 4-speed trans there. All is good here. Really like the bench seat too. cuddle up on your sweetheart. My favorite spot to be. So go ahead, check out all the details online, and come take it for a test drive if you'd like. We'd love to see you down here.
So holy cow, the underneath of this car is amazing. You got to look at the pictures. Go to our website. We probably got 20 pictures. The body was off the frame. The body was on a rotisserie. So the bottom of the car was prepped like brand new, sprayed in the red oxide primer. They must have given it like a satin clear coat just to give it better protection, and so it's more durable. All the frame and chassis components, they were all sandblasted and powder coated gloss black. This has the F41 suspension, so it's sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms, all of the suspension and steering completely rebuilt, replaced, all of the brake system redone, replaced, the lines, the hoses, the e-brake cables. It has disc in front, drum in back. The fuel system was completely replaced, including the tank, the lines, the sending unit. The dual exhaust system was all replaced. They did upgrade the mufflers. They're stainless steel mufflers, so they last longer. Got the correct tips coming out the back. It sounds exceptionally well, too. We look up at the motor, it's spotless, the starter, all that looks so fresh. The correct 4-speed M20 Muncie transmission and the linkage and all of that looks fresh. The drive shaft is restored, goes back to its original 12-bolt rear end with 331 gears, and it has all those assembly line markings underneath the car. Just a really, really detailed, phenomenal restoration. And again, the colors and a 4-speed with air conditioning. This is a very special car, folks. There's not another one like this. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your Astro Blue 70 Chevelle delivered home. And if you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.